Great Lodge. It's where we gotta go.
Yeah. You didn't want to listen? That may not be our biggest problem right now.
Commander!
Get back to your sister. You must hold back Ragnarok. This fight is mine.
But if I could just...
Take Atreus and the mask and do not look back. My son trusts you, so I trust you.
Get away from her! I am done with you and your son! No more fucking games! And this time, I'm allowed to kill you. We do not need to do this! We do! It's what we are! I can take it! And you won't be enough! That it?
Thor! The lad seems to think you've changed! Prove it and stop it!
Fucking go! Wait and die! Let's go!
You're what the old father made you! You can choose to...
You will all die!
Thor, think about your family once! Your family's falling apart!
Enough! Don't act like you know! You attack my daughter! No! I did not... You bring this to my home! To my family! Then you're king! One of us dies again! Still won't be me!
Thor! This isn't what Thor would...
Keep her name out of your damn mouth! Everything was fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! Come on! Fuck are you waiting for?
Your daughter. My son calls her friend.
If you try to hurt her...
I would not.
Don't you know what I've done?
Yes! But what will you do now?
We don't change. Or destroy us.
No more. No more. For the sake of our children, we must be better.
Why isn't he dead? Are you talking? Who told you to do that? You don't talk. You don't think. I think, you kill. It's a simple fucking concept.
Sif was right about you. I just didn't want to see it.
What is this? Are you broken? I am your father. Take the hammer and kill who I tell you to kill.
No.
I didn't want this. I did not want this. Dude, this was all their fault. They've done this to us, to our family.
Uai, seu app de vídeos curtos.